Hey Sanka, so in this tutorial I will show you how to set up a new cpanel account for some new website / user. So if you get a new client and I'm not there, you will be able to create a new cpanel for them without me. So without further ado, let's get started. So currently I'm logged in Motion administration portal. So with the account hello monkey top 10 in Sydney.com. So I'm gonna start all over again to show you. So basically this is the URL, secure1.inmotionhosting.com/index/login. Here we have to log in with hello email, hello monkey top 10 in Sydney.com, and the password that goes with this user. Then we'll log in into account management panel. Now we have to navigate into WHM, that's web hosting manager. So we click here. Here we are. So this is the main biggest administration thing on our VPS. So here we have to navigate, we have to find users. Here we have account functions. Here we have create a new account. So when you create a new account, a new cpanel for that account is created and everything that goes with it. To see a list of all the accounts on your VPS, we click on the list accounts under account information here. So now you can see all the websites that are on your VPS. So let's create a new account. Actually, I'm gonna do the real work now, as already the task is to make a new cpanel for meditation, for your meditation website. So I'm gonna click on create a new account. Alright, now just a moment. Alright, now we have to add a domain URL. So we have to exclude HTTP and www, I believe. Just a moment. It goes like this. So you have to have without HTTP // you have to exclude that. So the domain URL is correct for this information, and it has to end with .com. This won't work if you have / behind, so you have to delete that as well. It has to be a clear URL. Alright, now we username is created automatically. We can of course modify it like this, and then we have to enter password. There's always password generator. We copy this password or generate some new one. We copy it. We select I have copied this password in a safe place, and make sure you do so. Like this, I'm gonna now add these details into our Excel file, so we have that stored. Just a moment. When you do the same, do the same as I do. So when you generate here a password, always copy it under our Excel file, and this username is important as well. So make sure you copy the username and you copy this password. And here goes the email. If you don't know the email, you can select You can always place some of yours, like I'm gonna do now. Hello age top 10 in Sydney.com, and now we select a package. For package, select VPS basic package. That's the package that I've just created recently. So it has some default settings. If some user won't have enough power, we can always increase for them. But this should be enough for all our users. So always create VPS basic package. We can select options manually here, but that's something we don't need in this case, as we already have created. We selected a created package with all these options filled. And basically that's it. Here are some other various settings which shouldn't be touched. They can, but we don't need them. The default settings are alright. And here you have the name servers for the domain that you added here above. So when you change these name servers on the place where you purchased the domain, they will point to your new cpanel, your emotion cpanel. So only when they point to your cpanel, then you will be able to access the cpanel and its settings. Is there a way to access cpanel before you redirect the domain? I'm not sure, but I don't know why would you even want to access cpanel if the domain isn't redirected yet, because you can't work anything inside, because you don't have the URL, so you can see the website until you redirect the real domain. I don't know if I made myself clear now, or is it too much confusing, but that's the way it is. And when we're done with everything, we click create. Our website hosting manager is now creating everything that is needed for this account, and as you can see, everything is checked and positive, means that the new account is created. And if you would now change name servers on the domain place where you purchased the domain, it would now point to this cpanel that we've just created. And as we did this for meditation in Sydney website, the cpanel would be now available under either this link, domain/cpanel, or you change www with cpanel and open this URL. Of course, this will still point to the old domain, since so that's actually it. If you go under list accounts, you can see now your new account, meditation in Sydney, created, and it's on your VPS. As you can see, here are the settings that this website has. Only Oxford and meditation has this VPS basic package. The ones before I always set customly, but I've just realized that we have to have one standardized package or 2 free packages with more power. As you can see, here I've written how much, let's say, custom hobby dead house is taking of the disk space. So yeah, so that's it. Of course, you can always delete accounts here, suspend them, or anything else. So that's it as for this task.